Alright, it's March the 1st and we're getting ready to make our first voyage, right? Bike is currently looking like this. All the plastics are going to go back on today. But first, we're going to do an oil change. So oil change is very important, especially on all the bikes. All bikes, actually. So here we have a high flow Filtro premium oil filter, although everyone gets them. So, and we have fully synthetic 10W40 Shell motorcycle oil. Now, synthetic oils are always the best. They're a little bit more expensive, but not enough that it will stop me buying them. It just keeps the engine cleaner and running smoother, less gunk. Yeah? Always get synthetic. Always. This is really good stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna need is a bucket of oil. Some old oil container like this. You will need a tool to remove the oil filter. And you need one of these, and later you will need a torque wrench. So the bike is just being warmed up and is thus ready. Yeah, it's just a little bit warm. So its head is warm. A tiny little bit warm. So the oil is warm enough that it should just flow out nicely. And we're in no rush, we can actually leave it there for a little bit as well. Now this part's always tricky because there's never really enough room to get under there. But you see that? That's the oil plug. We're going to take that out. And all the oil's going to go in there and not over my floor. Alright? Not over my floor. That came out very easily. At least they didn't over torque it, which these fucking always are. Yeah, it was definitely time for an oil change. It's like quite black. Smells old. Everything that's come out of this engine smells similar actually, which is interesting. No! No, I dropped it in the fucking oil. That is proper shit in there, jeez. That's fucking nasty. I don't know how long the oil was sitting. I need that fucking bolt. It's got no crush washer on it, so I'll have to put one. This is what I mean by you gotta do everything on the bike yourself, you know? So you know what's going on. One benefit of having a house renovation is you got loads of like little boxes and stuff all over the fucking place. Which way is? They always over torque this and under torque that. It's weird. Classic. There we go. Let that drain out. Now we need to find a river to chuck this oil in. At least we're not changing the battery, so we don't have to go to the sea. The battery yearns for the sea. Okay. Alright. So we're just gonna leave the bike like that for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe, just to drain every little bit of oil, because it did seem kind of shit. Did seem kind of shitty. So, alright, then we're just going to fill it up, which means put a new filter on, put the drain plug back on, and put oil in there. Still dripping a bit. Ah, fuck, where is you? Snug that up real quick. The snug, we'll talk that properly in a second. And oh fucking hell. Getting up off this floor is more difficult than it used to be, eh? Now we also have the oil filter. This one comes nice and greasy, so you don't have to worry about it. It comes with like some nice grease. If it comes dry, you're gonna want to dip that in some oil, like new or old, just to wet that, so it gives a proper shuck. A proper shuck. Now, we literally just wind it on there like this. Yeah. And we're gonna make sure we don't over tighten it, because getting off again will be annoying. Unless you're gonna sell the bike, in which case. We got an adapter into the big socket. These little black adapters are so freaking useful and good. US Pro, they're very, very good quality as well. They just fucking work. It's great. So 20 Newton meters, and I went back to about 19.5 just to give it some wiggle room. There we go, 20. It does not take much to torque them. It's not a lot of turns. It's like finger tight and then maybe one full revolution. So don't just smack it with a fucking breaker bar. You need a torque wrench. Now then, for our really, really nice, expensive oil. Right. I wonder if you can see this. In the manual, it says, you can't see that. So in the manual, it says the drain plug is torqued to 20 Newton meters, and the oil 10W40, which is the correct one, 2.5 liters when the filter is not removed. We removed it. 2.8 liters when the filter is removed, but 3.6 liters when the engine is completely dry. You're never gonna get the engine completely dry unless you take apart the engine and dry it. So but I did let it drip for a long time. I'm gonna start with 2.8 liters roughly. We'll mark it on the side here, look. And we'll go from there, I guess. We'll see in the sight glass if it's good or not anyway. We need to put 2.8 in, which is going to be like around there. So I'm going to mark that off with some tape real quick. This is not necessary, but you know. Yeah, so 1 liters, 2 liters, about there. Yeah. When the oil gets to that, we'll slow down and we'll double check the sight glass and stuff. It's about half. Nice, clean, synthetic oil, baby. How much is left? So you can see the levels there. So that's 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, and a little bit liters. So I'm just gonna keep going until it gets to that mark. Finger tight, yeah. The last time it was like there, so they used you don't need to do it that tight. That is just fine. So let's have a look at the sight glass. Move that out of the way. I think that oil's leaking on the bottom somehow. Yeah. Okay. The sight glass, I put the exact right amount in, and the sight glass is shown up to the very top. After we run the bike and let it cool down again, that will drop, and hopefully it just drops right in the middle. Perfect alignment. So there's only one other thing left to do, and it's run the bike for like, shouldn't take that long, like a minute maybe, less than that, 30 seconds. And we'll check the sight glass again. I'll say that's mission accomplished. It went black, like it picked up all the oiled? The old oil that wasn't drained. You know, that sits like up here and stuff. And it's tainted it, but it's fresh oil. Almost 3 liters of fresh oil. And that's the oil change done. Boom. Don't have to worry about that until probably this time next year, I suppose.